The world's a big place, and there's so much to discover. But the earth we're living in is getting smaller.
Mula ng payuhin ng pinakamalakas na bagyo sa mundo.
The Philippines tops a list of countries most susceptible to hazards caused by climate change.
Bahagyang tumakas ang bagyong Leon.
The Philippines is experiencing a climate crisis. It is currently the most tropical cyclone-visited country in the world, averaging to 20 tropical cyclones per year.
Will we rise together to protect our seas? Nurture our forest, and cherish the land that sustains us?
According to Conservation International, the forest of the Philippines is one of the most threatened in the world. And despite the Philippine government's total log ban, illegal logging activities still continue. This illegal logging operation was conducted a few hundred meters away from a military checkpoint. Most of these groups are protected by paramilitary forces, making the job of enforcing the total log ban.
Mother Earth? Why?
Wala itong nangihingi ng saklolo, ngunit nagbibingi-bingihan lang tayo. Ngayong tayo na ang kinakapos, saka lang ba tayo kikilos? Hindi pa huli ang lahat, may magagawa ka pa. Kaya't hanggat may oras, naway mabigyan pa natin ng oras.
Will we take those small mindful steps, reducing waste, conserving energy, embrace nature, become the change our world needs? Let us move forward with purpose and hope to stop climate change and protect our beautiful world. Together, can we beat the difference? Earth is a beautiful place to live.